UK's University of East Anglia surveyed 1,500 participants from 15 countries, to test how honest they really are over 2 experiments. In test 1, participants were asked to flip a coin, and if it landed on heads, they do win money. If the proportion reporting heads was more than 50%, it indicated cheating. In second test, participants were offered a prize for quiz, without searching answer on internet or something else. So, here is the list from bottom line: China, India, Brazil, Turkey, Russia, South Korea, Portugal, Japan, Greece, USA, Denmark, South Africa. According to this survey, the most honest country is United Kingdom.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.